one cable on one of these. And put the other cable on the other one. Then get 15 feet away of the safety foot.
Watch that rocket.
And watch this rocket.
First, it just...
Come on, Josh. Bring how much time on the video.
Where you want it to go.
No.
Does he want it straight up or over?
Yeah. Fine. Yeah, fine.
Then come over here.
Come on. Watch that rocket. Fire in the hole.
Count off from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire. You gotta hold that in.
I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Awesome. Holy shit, that went way up there.
Can't see it no more.